Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Defeating Goblin Leaders in BG3 requires a strategic approach. First, scout their locations and understand their patrol patterns to plan an ambush. Utilize environmental hazards, like explosive barrels, for area damage. Prioritize taking down spellcasters and archers early in the fight to reduce incoming damage. Leverage crowd control abilities to manage the battlefield, isolating the leader for a focused attack. Lastly, consider using stealth and dialogue options to weaken their forces or avoid the fight altogether, leveraging the game's rich decision-making mechanics for an advantageous position.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.